Hello, my name is Jairo Perez. I am in charge to do performance evaluation of the sustain heights, string mortars incorporate height, volume waste glaze, and binder. Highlights. High string mortars contain 16 recycled glaze archives and compressive strength of 99 megapascals. 16 recycled glaze induce limit influences on microstructure of high string mortars, and high drifting screen cake in observed 16 recycled glaze sample. Abstract: This study investigates the performance of sustained high string mortar incorporation, recycled waste supplementary cementitious material to replace cement from low 10 or to high 16 replace radius, while mortar with component mix design are used of reference. The addition of recycling waste glaze significantly improves the smooth flow of the fresh mortar in the present superplastics. The increment of recycled glaze does contribute of the longer initial and the final setting time compared on the plain cement sample. Introduction: With the increased consumption of glaze products, a high amount of waste glaze in byproducts all of the world, on account of Beijing biodegradable waste glaze cause high presence of landfills, and in consideration of environmental protection, in its efficient method to apply the waste glaze in building material. In previous studies, waste glaze exhibit and potential to ingredient in concrete. For example, waste glass fraction not only can be used as aggregate. Material and methods: mortar and paste preparation, mixture for 1 cubic meter, a lower binder, cement and waste glass, ratio 0.25 and superplastic, where selected the high strength sample, the same dosage is SP. For all high strength sample was conducted, investigating influence or recycled waste glaze on the workability and different components. Calorimetry. The calorimetry test was performed using in the isothermal calorimetry. Solid raw material were mixed and advanced and the mixed with distilled water. The mixed paste inject into ampoule and select the lead and then load in the calorimetry. X-ray diffraction and dispersion density. The X-ray diffraction test was conducted of paste which were current and ambient temperature of 19 days using a broken. Mixed testing of mortal 1 meter cubic. Result and discussion. The shared components, recycled waste glaze and cement conduct BXRF are shown slump flow and density. The slump flow and density of mortar are shown in figure 4. I can be see that the small flow of high field stream makes strip and is be increase of recycled waste glaze incorporation. Certain times, the initial setting and final setting or high string and normal settings, sample incorporation different amounts of recycled waste glaze are shown. It is clear that additional recycled waste glass product brought the initial setting and final setting time of the sample. X-ray, the mineral composition of the high string series and normal string series sample containing different amount recycled was to glass after 19 days curating our show. It can be seen as sample exhibition common peaks of string heat, porcine and tricalum silicate and decalum silicate, but with different peak intensity. SEM and edX analysis. Conclusion: This study investigates the application of high dosage of recycled waste glaze in the high string, sustained mortar and normal string mortar, the fresh and the hardened properties, high ration, kinet and production, breathing string cake, mechanical properties, and microstructure characterization were conducted. The following conclusion is formulated. The increased intensive amount in recycled waste glaze on O on 16 can increase of fraud probability on fresh mortar contaminate superplastic above. The addition of constant dosage of superplastic resulted in the long delay duration. We highlight was the glass dosage in high stream mixture. Reference. Thanks.